Say, what are you up to, boy?
You're a chicken, and I'm gonna cook ya and eat ya.
This boy can't be serious. He must have... I just know that marble-headed mongrel is back of all this. This is gonna cause more confusion than a mouse in a burlesque show. Fortunately, I keep my feathers numbered for just such an emergency. Well, smarty pants, what you gonna do now? I said, don't bother me, dog. Can't you see I'm thinking?
Of all the kinds of chickens in the world, I have to catch me a Plymouth Rock.
You're watching Boomerang.
Very sad, make me feel so bad. You can fly away, in the sky away, you're more lucky than me. I also have a pretty man, he's not with me today. They all the same, the pretty men, make them the nest, then they fly away. Yellow bird, up high in banana tree. Sit all alone like me. Better fly away, in the sky away. It could come in soon, look from night to noon. Like vanilla too, like banana too. They might pick you someday. I wish that I was yellow bird. I fly away with you, but I am not a yellow bird. So here I sit, nothing else to do. Yellow bird, up in banana tree. Yeah. All alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? That is very sad. Make me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away. You're lucky,
Mike, are you gonna finish that?